Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to enable speech. So what you can do in here is this is actually a very cool feature of iPhone or iPad. But to enable it, you just need to head over to your settings. And once you're in there, you can just head over and scroll until you can see the accessibility. So let's click that. And in there, you can see this spoken content. Click that. And you can see here speech selection. So let's click on speak selection. And as you can see, you can now click this highlight content and click on that, and you can see here a lot of options that you can choose from. So let's head over to our notes app. I have here prepared some sentence that we want to use. So to do this, I just need to highlight some part of this sentence. So let's highlight some part of it. And then now when you scroll in here, you can now see the option to click this speak button. So let's click that.
The iPhone is a smartphone made by Apple that combines a computer, iPod, digital camera and cellular phone into one device with a touchscreen interface.
As you can see right now, the iPhone can now read this text by itself. So another thing that we can do is to, when we head over again to spoken content, we can see this speak screen. So let's click that. And you can see here the speech controller. So let's click that and turn that on. And you will see this icon right here. So when you expand this icon, you can see this icon right here, which is the sort of a finger icon. That finger icon just means that when you point to something, it will be able to read this. So there's also other options right here, which is the play button, the speed button. You can change the speed using this. So let's try this point icon right here. And let's point on something.
The speech controller allows quick access to speak screen and speak on touch. Expand the controller and press play to start reading all content. Expand the controller and tap on the finger icon to start speak on touch. Then tap or drag anywhere on the screen to hear the content under your finger. Lift your finger to exit speak on touch.
As you can see, it has now functioned. So there's actually another thing that we can do. Let's scroll down from here and you can see the speaking rate. You can input it faster or slower depending on what you like. And you can also
Speak
see
selection
here,
read selected content.
you can also see here the
Speak
voices.
selection read selected content.
You have here voices from English, and you can have it from Karen, from Lee, from Siri, or also all of these options right here that you can choose from, and also other languages. And you can also see here the pronunciations. And under the pronunciations, you can click this plus icon right here. When you click that, you can add the phrase that you can replace the pronunciation with. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.